In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google account on a TCL Google TV. All you have to do is press the home button on the TV remote so you have this display. Then navigate to the profile icon in the left upper part right there. You see this? Okay. Then you're going to have to go to that part of the plus. Okay. Press OK right there. Then you see the option of add an account. You see this? Then press OK on add an account. So literally, this shows up. You're going to see the option of sign in on TV instead. Okay, with that down arrow. Yes, so use the TV remote and move down right there. Okay, then press OK. Yes, now when you press OK, this is what comes on the TV. Okay, they will show you the option of sign in, but you're not interested in signing in, you're interested in creating a Google account. So you're going to move down to the option of create account right there. Press OK right there. Please make sure you're connected to the internet. Then they bring you enter your name, first name, then surname in brackets, which is optional. So input your first name. This is for illustrative purposes. I want to use Dauba. Okay, Dauba. You can use yours, Dauba124. Then the surname, which is optional. I'm going to go with teachers. Then when you put them, then go to the next part. Press OK next. Then you should bring you this basic information. Enter your date of birth and gender. Okay, just follow the steps very well. Day, month, and year. I'm just going to have this as a date of birth. Okay, and then you see down, you see the gender option. Select the gender. Okay, can be male or female, or rather not to say. I'm going to go with male. Then go down to the next option where you actually press OK on the TV remote. Then it brings you to this part. Create an email address for signing in to your account. So different options actually are going to be shown depending on the names that you actually used. You can see suggested ones are those 1, 2. Then the lower part shows create your own Gmail address. Okay, I'm going to go with the first one. Okay, or you can actually just select create your own Gmail address. Okay, yep. Then you can create a Gmail address according to how you want it, but I'm going to go with the other one. This is just for illustrative purposes. Press OK, then move to the next option. Okay, press OK, then the option of create a strong password. So this is why you actually have to create a very strong password. Okay, input the password, then tap next. You can see the usernames actually up right there, the Dauba1234, and then the email address is right down there with the gmail.com. When you're satisfied with what you're seeing, go to next, press OK, and then it should show up. Privacy and terms, please just go through everything. Okay, just read through everything, and then go to the agree option right there. Press OK on I agree. Okay, yep. Make sure you connect to the internet. Okay, then once you have done that, yes, if you're picking on such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now this comes up, so you see the option of hi teacher Dauba, accept. So you're going to have to accept, press OK, then move to accept as well. Press OK and accept. Then it brings the option of please wait, choose your services, confirm, press OK, and then yep. So you've created a Google account on the TCL Google TV. To see the account very well, you can see it's right there with the D, or you can actually decide just to press the settings button on the TV remote. Okay, or navigate the quick settings, press OK, then press OK on all settings. Okay, and then we're going to move down to accounts and sign in. Okay, then on the right you can actually see that is the account that has actually been created, the Google account. Okay,